Hello, you're welcome back to our channel, the Chima Educative Video channel. In this video, is part of our ongoing ebook creation with AI, but I want to tell you because in the course of this creation of ebook, you must need a word processing package, something like Google Doc, and I will always recommend you use Google Doc. And so what we're going to do here in this video very shortly is showing you how to use Google Doc for your ebook creation. What I'm going to teach here is very important. If you don't follow line by line guide, you're going to miss a lot, except you know it before now. If you don't know what you need to do before now, please follow me as I go through this. So let's look at how to use Google Docs for ebook creation. So if you are going to use it in the first place, it's expected of you to have downloaded or have the app on your mobile phone, because I'm using mobile phone now, I'm not using laptop. If you are using laptop, things are easier for you. You don't even need Google Doc. You simply use your MS Word. But since you're using mobile, this is the best one you're going to use. So make sure you have it on your phone. And I'm sure it should be there because most of the phones always come with all these Google products. And Google Doc is one of them. They are all default apps. So check and it's there. Once it's there, look at what we're going to do now. So quickly go to your app and launch this. So we're going to launch, let's launch the Google Doc. I'm going to look for Doc. It's always written Docs. So you're going to go to D, where we have Docs. Okay, that's it. That's what you're seeing here. I click on Docs. Watch what I'm going to do. If you are writing ebook, page of setting is very important. So many things you are going to be doing. Very, very, very important. So if you look at this video, in fact, I'm looking at part 1 of using this because this is the first stage, the first part of this you're going to do. Then after when you must have done with your ebook, there are still other things you need to do. So I may not be talking about that now. So this is part 1 or how to use this for your ebook creation. So I am on Google Doc right now. Now, if you see what some of the things you are seeing here are some files I've already created before now. So they are lined up. If you have yours, you're going to see them. If you never created anyone, there will be empty. So what am I going to do? You are seeing this plus sign down here. It could be in your phone, it could be down or up, but you're going to always see it. Look at this plus sign. I'm going to click on it. As I click on it, I'm seeing choose template, new document. If I choose new document, that means I want to do a design complete from the scratch. But I say if I choose a template, there are templates that some of them are good for writing ebooks, some of them are good for writing a lesson plan, some are good for letter writing, for your resume and all that. So that's why most times I will encourage you go for templates. It makes work easier for you. Now let me go for this template. I click on choose template. I may choose to go the other way around, but let's go through templates. Now these templates, I will always encourage so that we don't waste time. Choose this template. Don't choose resume. Don't choose letter writing template. I will always encourage you to choose a template on the education. Something like the one that says essay. Or you can see this essay paperback on the end. But I will always like this. Class notes. Look at this class notes with image. Are you getting this? You look at this particular template. It's class note and it has image here. We also have this one that is class note, but it don't have image. Always go for this. It's not compulsory. You can use a blank page and start it. There's no hard and fast rule. But let's go with this. So I'm going to choose this. I click on it. Just watch. It's okay. It's opening now. Once it opens, I'm going to show you things we are going to do now. Okay, look at this. There's no serious thing here. You're going to edit all of this because you can see this. So you're the one that will edit all this. So, but before then, let's do some setup. Now, if you look at these three dots on the top right of your interface, click on it. Let's see what we see there. You're seeing multi entries and it's print layouts, all that. No, my interest is I want to. This add-on is part of our advanced training on Google Docs. This add-on, if you check on it, then you might see something like signature. So if this happens to be like teachers who are preparing a lesson plan and they're sending to whoever, their head or so, the head can, after viewing it, can put signature. So if I click on this add-on, there are so many powerful tools. You see how tech is all about. They are powerful tools. I can't talk about them right now. So I want to look at what will help me in this particular one. What counts? Okay, for now, I'm not getting what I need for now on this. I don't need anything for now to, touch this particular kind of. When I'm done, I will do something. Now let's go on. I want to start work. So because I want to start work, I'm going to click on this pencil icon, which is editing. That means I want to start adding things to this page. Now, click on this. I'm now ready to work. Now, as I'm working, I want to show you a few things because I said part one. So you need to know the interface. As long as you're using mobile phone. If you're using a laptop, Google Doc, everything is so open. Your Microsoft Word, everything is open. But because it's mobile phone, if you don't understand, you're going to be having problem. So let's get this way. Now, the first thing I want to do, that is part of what we're training in this special course that is going on. Creating ebook with AI tools. When you see, let me go and create. No, ebook is not all about getting contents. AI may get you content, but if you don't build your course, your ebook, you have not done anything. So part of what we're going to teach you there is also how to design your ebook cover. So it's expected in conclusion of your ebook, if your book is going to be an ebook fully ready for sales, marketing, and monetization, then definitely you're going to have a book cover. So it's assumed that before you start completing the ebook creation on your Google Doc, your ebook cover is already ready. Now let me show you. Let me give you an example. I have one. So what do? I want to remove this. I get it. I've highlighted it. This particular image here, I want to remove it. I don't need it. It's not what I need. I'm creating an ebook. So my ebook cover is what I want to place on top of that place. So because I've clicked on it now, I check these three lines here. See the links. See the one that say replace image. I don't want to choose replace image. You know why? If I choose replace image, this image is on a kind of a landscape format. Meanwhile, my ebook cover is on a portrait. So if I attach my ebook here, it will be short that I will not see everything. Because I'm replacing an image that's on a landscape. So I better say delete entirely so that I will attach my own. Now watch it. Having done that, I will now click. Anytime you want to add anything, look at this plus sign here, click on it. Those things you are adding could be image, could be anything, could be table. So I click on this plus sign. Watch, let me show you. You see from this plus sign I can add link. Do you know the essence of this link? This link is that's one wonderful thing about ebook. If you are someone who has a page online, maybe your YouTube channel or your blog site or your social media handle and all that, and you create an ebook, somewhere in your ebook, at the right places, you can attach links. You can say, okay, read more about this particular topic here. That may be something you wrote on your blog or on your social media. You want them to visit there. Or you can even attach your social media handle for them to follow you. And so that's the essence of this link. That's why I told you we have much to talk about. We're not doing that for now. Because we have not even done anything on the ebook first yet. Now, you can add image here. You can add table. You can add horizontal line. You can add page break. This page break is one of the things we are still going to talk about as long as ebook creation is concerned on this particular platform, that's Google Docs. Because you should know what page break is all about, and we must do that. So these are the key things. You can add page number. Your pages have number 1, number 2, and all that. You can add footnotes where you may put your name and some things about you or the year of publication of the ebook. This is very, very important. Now, let's add image. We'll click on image. The system is asking us, are you taking this image from photos? There's photos that are already saved on your system. Or are you taking from camera? That means you want to snap a new photo immediately to add here, which can do. Or are you taking photo from the web? That means if you click on that one, you go to the web and start searching for the right image to fix in here. But if you are writing ebook must be, you must use your cover page you have already prepared that has the name of the ebook. So you can't be talking about web page or camera. You must have saved that on your mobile device. Then you click on from phone. That's what I click now. Let's watch. Now, most of my ebook covers are under downloads. So let me search my downloads. I know some of them are very, very far. I search my downloads to get where I have some of my ebooks. Just follow me to do this together. I have a lot of them here, but there's one I want to talk about right now. I want to paste this. Just watch. So close right now. Okay. Okay, I've seen this. Look at it. I choose this one. Having chosen it, I click on select. Watch out. It's coming up. I seen it. This is one of my ebook cover. Nature's answers to man's health questions. This is an ebook cover. I see this is my ebook cover page. Health Wealth Series. 35 natural remedies to common health challenges. That's what this ebook is. I'm writing on this. I'm not yet done with it. But at least I'm using this. Are you getting it? I've downloaded it. So, this is what ebook is. When you open an ebook, maybe first of all, you see this cover page. So wonderful. Now, having done that, I need to still write the name of. Now, look at what we do. This particular ebook now may just be on the first page of this particular ebook, as long as this document is concerned. I get it. It may be just occupying the first page. It's not going to share anything with anybody. So if that is the case, and I don't want another page to stray towards it, that's where comes in what? Page break. Now, but I want to tell you something. If you look at this thing now, there's already page break in this. You know what? Because we use a template, an already made template. If you are doing your own, starting from the new document on your own, you won't see already made template. If you look at this, where I type this ebook now, so you see this line divided. It's already a page break. This class cannot cross over to the other side. It won't cross over. But then, if you are not dealing with letters like this, you can finish typing this. You want this particular thing where you type your full page ebook title, your name, maybe year of publication and all that. And you want it to be a page of its own before you go to copyright page. There's a tendency of copyright page jumping over to the other one. That is where we need page break. So in that case, if you don't want to jump over, let me edit this, please. Let me quickly edit this. I'm not writing this. I'm going to still edit this book. So let's assume this book is called Health. Just pay attention. Now, okay. Part of what I'm saying, as I was just trying to delete this now, this line has jumped over. Let's talk about that page break because that's what I want to teach. I want to teach page break. So as you see this cursor here, I'm trying to tell the system where this cursor stops, that's where my first page ends. Please don't allow anything to jump over it. So what do? I click on this plus sign and click on page break. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? This you are seeing page break here. When you publish this book, you won't see any write-up. What you are seeing is just for you. If you publish the system of the book, nothing like page break written there, but the system has already recognized that no matter whatever, even if you are adjusting, nothing else down here should jump into that one. So when you are done also filling this first page, then you also do for that particular page break. Because in ebook writing, there are settings. And that's part of what we're going to train. We are trained already in this particular course. Those settings, you'll be able to know the first page, which is where you put this, the second page, copyright page, acknowledgement, dedication, each of them on their own. You will not allow acknowledgement to jump into the dedication page. No. Preface should not jump into this. So that's what we're saying. When you have done preface, even if that preface takes 2 pages, yes, at that point where it ends, you put a page break so that the next particular page starts on a fresh, document or page. They understand that. That's exactly how to do this. So these are the key things you must know. Every other thing we are going to get to know in the course of this training. So if you are not actually part of what we are doing, I will encourage you to join. We have an ongoing training. I want to make it clear to you. It is free. It's going to take us so much. It's going to cost us so much time, data, everything. But it is purely free. If you have never created ebook before, powerful quality ebook, you are going to create and have your name. You'll be shocked. You say, wow, so I can have an ebook. I can do this. And so that's how wonderful it is. So we encourage you to join us. Every other thing you need to know, as long as using Google Docs for your ebook creation, you're going to see in our subsequent videos. So I'm going to stop at this point. I wish you the best. I encourage you, if you are new, you are watching this video now from maybe our YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Do well, like this video too, so that YouTube can recommend to others. It's a free course, it's a free material, free resource, so others can be part of it. And that's one other way you can encourage us, you can support us as we share these free valuable resources with you. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.